just need to get a little high.
Alright, let's get this.
Come on, Tally, just get high. You can't do both.
Good?
I don't know, are we?
Are you? I mean, shit, I'm trying to get going over here. Where are you going?
Are we going to use the card that I just made?
Yeah. You might want to hand them over here because I might need them to throw them at you people.
Fucking gay.
You know, which is fine with me because I'm in punching distance.
Here, let me put them there too. Shit.
Yeah, we don't give a fuck about the environment. Fuck papers.
Alright.
I burned Qurans. The Bible. What's that?
Hail Satan. LOL.
YOLO.
Lord our Lucifer. Lucifer our Lord, I mean.
Dude,
I'm sorry.
Lucifer Morningstar. Fucking biggest pimp ever.
Good show.
Great show.
Stupid show. But
good.
I watched all of it.
It's so stupid. I watched all of it.
Totally. The first season was pretty good, and then like it kind of,
Hey,
Alright, children. We've been on a break here for a little while.
Are we actually on?
No. Yeah, I've been waiting for you,
I can't
cocksucker.
fucking see.
Yeah, you took it off the TV, so now.
God damn it!
Wow.
Wow! I didn't know.
No. We don't need it now.
Well,
we don't need it now. No, just continue with your little intro, you fucking homo.
Well, welcome back to Daddy and the Boys podcast.
Hang on.
I guess we've been.
Mr. Ones and Twos over here still doesn't know what's going on.
He's still beating his little meat over there.
I'm trying to actually do shit.
Dude, I'm trying to get this working.
Dude, I've been trying to get work for the last 30 minutes, even though it's the same software.
I don't even know why you guys told you this.
God, I hate all of you.
You guys suck. You guys fucking suck.
You know what? I don't want to do this, but we're gonna do it anyways. Give Parker a big old shout out because ever since we've even thought about this podcast, this dude's been being fucking just raped by us.
We just basically take his ass, put it on a silver platter, we just keep on banging it, you know.
You guys sit there and spread the cheeks and get to a nice little pucker and you just...
Why would I give you lube?
Why
would I give you lube?
No,
I'm going in raw.
No. You spread the cheeks a little bit just to get a
I
nice little
spit in your hair instead of on my dick.
We go in dry. We don't lube up shit.
I go and I grab my sister's hair dryer and I make sure that my dick is dry as dry can be, just so you don't get any pleasure out of this.
Well, obviously you can tell that voice. Here's Josh.
What's up, guys?
All right, and then we got the guy on the ones and twos, and we got over there Parker.
Still fucking up his job.
And still learning after the seventh time. We just took 5 minutes to figure out if we're fucking recording. So, and then I'm here too. Just
Daryl,
play with myself. Yeah. Jamona.
We took a little time off. We had some things we had to do ourselves, and plus we had Christmas.
It was the holiday.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Dude, it's the holiday. Say Happy Holidays. Fuck you.
It's Martin Luther King's birthday coming up.
Who? Never heard of her.
Oh.
Well, what they always say was like White Man Marksman Day. That's edited.
That's a strike. That's a strike coming.
I figured Josh would be the one saying
Way to
that.
go, Daryl. Now we're gonna get a strike again.
No,
Josh was the first one for fucking Calhoun talk.
Hey man, it's okay.
That was just Godar.
No, I think he was talking about the sisters and brothers hugging tightly.
Yeah, hugging tightly in the bed.
Yeah, that's fair.
No, he's only giving us a strike on that one because he's mad he's not clever enough
Josh,
to come up with that.
let's go ahead and talk about what you did.
Yeah. So
your recent stories.
Yeah, you were going on a hunt or something.
Yeah, I went down to Texas. If you ever want to go on a hog hunt, do yourself a favor and write down the Independent Ranch, and then don't go there. Because apparently, it says hog hunt, and it's got all this shit, and I guess if I was actually paying attention to all this shit, which of course I wasn't, because my mom won my dad a free hog hunt, which wasn't free at all, pretty much zero free, and they have weigh systems, hey, this is how much. If you want to save money, you can pay for this, and you can get 500 pounds out of it, and all this other shit. And I didn't know all that. I didn't know that this was like you were guaranteed to kill an animal. What are you guys writing?
Just keep going.
All right,
keep
going. I'll keep going. So you're guaranteed to kill an animal here, and the reason why is because it's all fenced in, and they bait every hour on the hour. So the animals know where the bait's at and everything, and they have these animals on there that's not hogs, and they're exotic animals.
Oh, can't shoot those.
No, you can. You can shoot everything in there except pets. One's a goat and the rest are dogs.
Oh.
So, hey, wondering.
What are the Chinese going to eat?
Well, I mean, if you shoot them afterwards, Wow! Wow, 1s and 2s. Wow, here, let me make sure mine's on live. No, it is. I have a Snapchat
We
from
might as well
somebody.
just go ahead and quit this whole fucking thing. Don't quit your damn day.
That's strike 3 right there.
Dude, baby girl's talking to me.
He doesn't have a girl, it's a guy.
Well, she's a Jew, so yeah, you're right.
Well, at least it's not as bad as.
Yeah, because the song is totally not. Whatever, shut the fuck up. So you had to pay.
Right there, your spare parts.
Hey, that's a decent fucking notebook.
Fuck you.
Your spare parts, bub.
So you can shoot anything
Copyright.
on. Yeah, you don't even know what we're talking about. So shut the fuck up.
Josh, get this man a puppers.
They're all at the store. So you can shoot anything on this fucking farm if you pay for it. They have rams, they have black deer, they have red stags, water buffalo.
Why does it got to be black?
I don't know. That's what they named it.
Oh, that's fair.
Jeez, fucking retard. They even have white-tailed deer.
You're a whitetail.
Your mom's a whitetail.
Fuck that shit.
No, because a ram we found out is $1,500. Yeah, and the reason why, about a month before we went, my dad told me and my little sister Grumpy, hey, they want you to shoot it in the head. And I was like, why the fuck do they want us to shoot it in the head? He's like, oh, so you can confirm your kill. So you can confirm your kill, so you shoot in the head. Every shot you guys will do will be headshots. Like, whatever, I don't give a shit.
Why would I not do headshots?
If you want to like mount it up on the wall, you don't want to do a headshot.
Well, that's fair. Yeah.
So I was like, whatever.
I don't know. I'm new to this hunting thing. I don't support Second Amendment.
I hate you so much. Dude, I'm in the Air Force. I never touched my gun. What's a gun?
I don't deploy with those.
I had the Marines and the Army come over and protect me. Oh, Daddy, save me.
Marines, they don't even go overseas anymore.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
They're too busy eating crayons.
First in, last out. Except, like, we have crowns over here, guys, so we're not going over.
Hi, welcome to the Air Force. We can just bomb you from Virginia.
Hey, I have something on that.
Yeah.
Later.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's another pod.
No. It's in today's pod.
Yep.
It's just a way that America can save money. I have a plan.
Buy Mexico, put up grapes, and recolor it?
No.
Okay.
No, he's thought it out. Him and his little fan club have started this thing out.
He's just jealous.
Shout out Josh Ryder Fan Club.
Oh, wait. I am supposed to do a shout out to them. Well, here, reaction.
Is that who did it?
You're fucking
I don't know.
He probably
I
did.
have no clue who did it. I found out from fucking Daryl.
Who the fuck?
You're welcome.
I still want to know. Did you do it?
What?
Did you start the fan club?
No.
Yeah, you caught him. He did it just to fuck with you. No, we have no clue who did it.
I don't even know who's in it. I just keep seeing people I know messaging, and I'm like,
Wait, there's actually a list in it now?
no.
No? I was gonna say.
Not that I've found.
No.
I was gonna say.
There's just people that I'm like, oh, okay, I know this person, and I know this person. I'm like, who the hell started this? This don't make any sense. They're like, oh, I just saw it and
But-
I found out.
So for the last month before we go to the hunt, my dad is very anal, if you know him, on everything.
Very anal.
On no, the bad anal. The bad anal.
Oh, so he likes raw.
No, I'm talking very bad anal where it's not sex.
Oh, so it's just bare anal.
So
Okay.
he's very particular, so he keeps bringing it up. Hey, remember, tell T-Bone, I'm telling Ed, it's all headshots, it's all headshots, it's all headshots. Well, you get like a couple hunts, and the first hunt you have is a night hunt in your deer stand. Then the next one is in the morning. You can do a walking stalk. Me and T-Bone didn't go because we already killed 2 hogs. And then you have another walking stalk. Then your last walking stalk of that day. Then you hunt the deer blind at the night. And then you have your last hunt is a walking stalk. So I didn't go on the first one. My uncle threatened to slap the shit out of me for not going because I left him with 2 fucking retards who don't know how to do a walking stalk. Pretty much, Parker, all it is like rabbits or pheasants or quails, where you get on a fucking line and you walk forward. The only difference is with rabbits and quails, you're not trying to kick them up, you're just trying to get close to them. Well, they're getting like 600 yards out front, and then the dumb shits are pointing their guns at you.
Fucking idiots.
So fucking, we didn't go on. We went on one, and then we didn't go on the second one. Fucking, because we already had 2 hogs, and it's $100 already right there. I'm like, fuck that shit. We're gonna get 2 more in the deer stand because we paid $100 for fucking feed. This place is just a money pit. That's all.
Sounds like it.
And my uncle accidentally butt dialed me, so I called him back. He's like, "Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call you." He's all excited.
Hey, I'm just wanting a piece of ass.
No, he's not that.
That's
on the other side of the family.
I want that pig ass down the way.
Come here.
Oh, I think I got him.
Wait. But
Where's Schumer at here?
Where's Amy?
Don't you talk about that beautiful woman like that. Wait.
Alright.
Oh, god damn it.
He's all excited. They've already killed 3. They're because they kicked those 2 other guys out, and they got 2 new guys who actually know what the fuck they're doing. They already got 3. They're having a great time. He's all excited. And then about an hour later, they're walking in, and they're all kind of like bummed. Me and Boner are sitting there on the porch and everything. We're like, fuck happened? What happened, guys? What'd you get? They go, the prize of all prizes. Oh shit, did they kill an exotic animal? Oh shit, which one did it? Me and T-Bone are all giddy and everything. Like, we knew somebody was going to do it. It happens all the time. They even said, hey man, somebody gonna do it. I'm like, oh shit, I just didn't expect it to be my group. I was like, I bet you it's Ed. I bet you Ed was like, fuck it. Boom! Oh, you know what? I don't think I have the money for this shit. So fucking, we get over, and the guy who's been all anal about this shit, about shooting him in the head, my father, killed a ram.
Nice.
$1,500.
Way to go.
Way to go. Me and T-Bone are sitting there fist bumping. We're like, not us.
So
not
he,
not
Wait,
my money.
did you guys take it home and mount it yet? Or?
They have to do all the processing, but fortunately my dad did not tell them that we want the meat, so they let it get bloated and everything, and so by the time he thought about it, it was no good.
Yeah, it's probably
So
raw meat too.
after he shot it in the stomach, and it just ran right into a tree.
Oh,
So it's a big ram, but I mean, the people that go out there to exotic hunt,
yeah, they want the heads.
it's not that. It's like, because they're so tame. We were yelling, we were screaming in the deer stand and everything, and they're just sitting there eating. That you pretty much just pick which exotic animal you want to shoot, and then you just shoot it. You just walk up to it. It's not hunting.
That's not
But
hunting.
he broke part of his rack or his horns. He's got a half a curl, and on one, I think it's the right, it's cracked. But that you can keep it like that. It kind of still looks cool. You got blood coming down and everything. All right, Daryl, what's up?
Well, all right. Go ahead.
I just don't want Parker to talk.
Parker.
Oh, okay.
This is your grandbaby here. Go ahead and take care of it, baby boy.
All right. So speaking of exotic,
He's gonna fuck it up.
So speaking of exotic animals,
Dude, I'm an exotic animal. Look at me, I'm fur. I got a bunch of fur.
well,
Yes, I do.
Santa Claus is no longer a male. He is an exotic animal.
No.
Oh yeah, he's a gender fluid Muslim, ain't he?
He ain't there yet. They're fighting for it, which pisses. Wait, I thought we were still gonna do like what happened over the weeks, but okay, whatever. You're fucking up, bub. But so
Do you need a puppers?
I do. I do. Parker, where's your puppers at?
Right in my pants.
All right, continue.
All right.
Continue.
All right.
No, but we were talking about the exotic animals.
All right.
And old Sandy. Old Sandy, the exotic.
But the difference between an exotic animal and someone that's dressed up for Halloween.
Halloween.
Pretty much.
Well, you can be Santa Claus at Halloween. I mean, you got Tim Allen that's doing it for money. But,
No, I mean you can, but usually those people are called pimps. So.
what do you think I am, bitch?
Totally,
No, you're
totally
weird.
off subject. For Halloween, this chick at Dairy Queen, she's about 20, dressed up as a deer. It looked like a reindeer. I told her I'd give her some reindeers in her butt. I'm not allowed in Jerseyville DQ no more.
You serious, Clark?
I can see you doing it.
No.
I can see you doing it.
You serious, Griswold?
But I totally did try to get her number.
Who was she? Was she
She's like-
blonde?
She probably said your spare parts.
Walmart Wallers?
No. I said cute.
So that
Cute
means
Walmart
that means $250.
Yeah, she's not there
She
yet,
ain't
but she's
250, she ain't a lady.
Give her 5 years.
No. She ain't 280. She ain't no lady.
That's true.
But no, what I don't understand about the whole gender neutral thing is
Who gives a fuck?
you intolerant bastards. Not only are picking on somebody who's been a childhood hero
For you?
for every little kid,
It sounds like.
Besides
for
the
every
Jews.
little
Besides
kid,
the
He
Jews.
likes sitting on old men's laps.
I'm trying to get a hold of Joe Biden so I can sit on his lap.
You'd want to,
Crazy Uncle Joe.
you'd want to rattle his bones, wouldn't you?
Oh yeah, I'd be like, "Is this good, Uncle Joe?" Bouncing up and down on his lap.
Breaks a hip.
Oh, sonny, you're too old for me. Oh.
Only if you were 12 and a little girl.
Let me go get my Pope uniform on.
No, he likes all of them. He even said so. But no, what I don't understand is you heartless bastards are going after a folk tale and being like, "Oh, my guy cut off his magical penis."
Well,
he's been a man for 2,000 fucking years.
But what were you trying to get at? What were you?
He weren't.
Was that just a discussion topic or?
No.
If you would read your messenger, it is.
Yeah, well, I have a degree, but I don't read.
Wow. Get a notepad.
You're a towel.
It's funny because it's right there. It's right there, right by him. He's the only one with a notepad, and he's the only one that can't keep up.
That's fake news.
You're fake news.
Fucking Hillary.
Chelsea,
Hillary, you won't even look at your own shit.
1 emails.
There was people in Benghazi that I sent over there. What?
I'm supposed to protect those guys? I don't even know them.
Huh? I told them they were gonna die. I thought they figured out it was a death threat. They suicided themselves.
Yeah. So, gender fluid fucking Santa Claus.
Yeah. You weren't into that? You weren't into that?
It's
I was into the correct news. That's all fake.
You don't want to see.
It legit says.
You don't want to see a Santa Claus with a dick and some fucking big old titties.
I mean, if he goes to Bangkok, I mean, he's
gonna have that look at him.
It says
you,
ETC.
Ho ho ho.
It says etc. second Santa. Right here. You see it? Right here. In the segments.
Oh. That's what that says.
I've been wanting to bring this up for weeks, but then we've got kind of been busy.
Yeah.
So we just start over.
Yeah.
We're just pulling shit.
Yeah, whatever.
How far are we on time?
Man,
10 minutes.
fucking this fucking chick on Tinder though. She fucking.
We're just flying through these shit.
We're not even talking about shit. We're just fucking mumbling.
No, this fucking chick on Tinder. This motherfucker.
Does she fuck mothers?
I don't know what woman.
That'd be hot. That's kinky.
Hot.
I don't know what woman would go and make this her fucking face or her Tinder profile first picture. It's a picture of her sitting on the ground next to a fucking dirty, like, rolled through the fucking gutter or a curb in the city. All that gravel and shit.
Mm-hmm.
Pocket pussy.
Damn.
That's kinky.
Her sitting next to a pocket pussy that's dirty as fuck and a lit cigarette hanging outside of the fucking pussy.
What'd she look like?
She just chopped hair. She looked like what you would see at the third wave feminist shit. The colored hair.
I don't know what that is.
It's what you have.
Very, very San Francisco.
Oh, the hardcore feminists?
Yeah.
Oh.
The
ones that cry about
patriarchy.
sauce in there.
It's patriarchy.
Yeah.
all
The
that
one's named
There's
Karen.
some fucking weird ass chicks on fucking Tinder though. Fucking weird ones.
Alright, so it wasn't Tinder, but I was on the old Bumbles.
Oh fuck.
Bumble me around and get me gone. Okay. So this one chick added me. Her name was Britt. She deleted her member because she's probably fucking banging someone.
She's on drugs.
Alright, so she's in a Bumble. You have to they have to message you first.
It's a female
Okay,
first.
so here's the thing, and I'm gonna give you my answer, and then I'm gonna see what you guys said.
oh my god.
So it said she said,
is what he said.
would you rather have a 9-inch dick and can never get hard, or have a 3-inch dick and go forever? How about that to break the ice? And she's like, whatever, fucking gay. I'm like, oh man, that's fucking great. That's brilliant. I'd have to.
That's easy.
I'd have to do the 3-inch.
That's easy.
I'd have to do the 3-inch because at least I can get off.
Yeah. I mean the
No,
nine.
it's not even
And I told her that 9 inches forever soft just seems like a big burden.
Well,
She put out there after that. I would know, but I could see that. I'm like, oh, you savage.
I was just that 9-inch though. You can treat it like a snake, garden hose type of thing. Whirl around.
Yeah, but what are you gonna
hula
do?
Hoop it. You hula hoop that pussy.
What are you gonna do?
What am I
Hula
gonna
hoop
cut
it.
my balls off? They're
No,
not
you
useful anymore.
Hula hoop that pussy. That's what you do. You get in there. You act like you're gonna fucking.
You're
dip
not
or
gonna
some shit.
do anything. You're gonna go in with a fucking rope into the fucking tight ass tunnel.
Who says she's tight?
Okay.
Who said she's tight?
Doesn't matter. You can't even penetrate it.
I'm not saying I'd pick the 9-inch. I'm just saying. The 9-inch.
I mean,
9-inch or 3-inch.
3. Fuck yeah.
Oh,
I'd
yeah,
take the
definitely
3. Fuck that.
Because it says you can
go
go
forever.
go forever.
Yeah.
That means that like you don't need to get married. Okay, because you have bitches lined up on the door, and you're just fucking.
You're just,
Okay,
you're
send
just
the next one
imagining-
in.
You're just
Just-
imagining Amy Schumer right now.
Yeah.
I know, just fucking grabbing her by those big old fucking pig cheeks, and just wait.
God
But I thought that was brilliant.
Oh shit.
That was good. I did say the 3-inch because I'm like, you know what?
Yeah.
You might not
go
get off,
forever.
but I sure hell will.
If you go long enough, 3 inches, you'll get off.
If not,
Just stick a finger up her bum. She'll get somewhere.
I'll just be in your butt.
Well, what else are you gonna use for lube?
And then other than that, the only thing I match with are literally girls that have at least 2 kids.
Well, yeah, that's because
Yeah.
you got that dad bod, son.
No, I got stepdad body.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a fucking stepdad more than I will be a dad.
Yeah. You look.
No, you're gonna be a Gary.
I'm a fucking Gary.
You know, when the real dad's gone.
Ouch. Shots
He's
fired.
my daddy on the weekends.
When daddy goes on business trips, Gary shows up.
Dad, do you know about Gary? What?
No, who's Gary? Is that your like an uncle or something? I don't care about your
I
family.
don't know.
I got a
All I
story,
know is mom screams at night
Gary!
with a 3-inch dick.
Pumping away.
Pumping.
Doing push-ups on her.
Oh, Michael. It was me and Michael.
Pickle?
Pick. Yeah,
Pickle,
well,
pickle.
we could
As
use
a pickle.
We could use pickle. But
Like you mean
Oh,
what we said
pickle.
before we started?
Yeah.
yeah, but you know.
Fucking spare part.
I just never listen to you guys. Even though you guys have great ideas.
No, but fucking Pickle, he had that POF, Plenty of Fish. He had that little day nap. He had it, and he found some chick from Jacksonville. And we were all drinking, me and him, and I think Melissa. I think she ended up leaving. But
I would too with that party.
no, yeah. Well, we were riding around drinking. We were only like 19 maybe at the time.
Yeah, I'd take my beer and I'd go home and I'd hide it in my room.
But
hide it from mom and dad.
Hey, Mama might be 4'9", but she's pretty deadly with a wooden spoon.
yeah, she is.
And a
She
sandal.
fucking hits you on them knuckles. Fuck. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. I did.
Anyway, Whitey Michael.
Mike gets on there and messages this chick from Jacksonville, and he's like, "Oh, dude, I got to meet her. Oh, I have to meet her. I just got an AIT, and I got to get some puss." We drive all the way to fucking Jacksonville,
Illinois,
to this fucking
Florida.
trailer park area
Maine.
of Jacksonville.
Pennsylvania.
No, we drive to the fucking trailer park version
Texas.
of
California.
Jacksonville.
You never had tacos unless you had LA tacos.
You never go hiking unless you go in LA. Alright, so he goes to Jacksonville.
Yes, thank
meets
you
his
very
date.
much. He goes to fucking Jacksonville to the trailer park.
Wrap it up, motherfucker.
We walk in there, and it's just a fucking trailer home full of Walmart Walruses.
I bet she's a queen of a
Oh,
double-wide trailer.
Oh, like, remember Mama Joe?
Oh,
Oh, big as Mama Joe or bigger.
oh,
Oh,
Daddy
yeah.
likes.
Oh, they were.
They called her the Pacific.
Oh.
Specific, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
But he goes in, and we sit down, and I'm like, Mike, I don't think we really should be here. This is not a place we need to be. We end up sitting down. She ends up giving us some beer, and we're kind of settled down. And then out of nowhere,
They drug you?
the fucking chicks go, all right, just so we're all clear, we're not going to do anything. And they all pour out fucking big ass knives. One pulls out a fucking pistol and slaps it on the table. I'm like, oh, fuck. We're about to fucking get jumped or some shit here.
God, that
Holy
is hot.
shit.
That's hot. You're talking about some big old.
You're getting my balls real tight right now.
They lay down one lays down the pistol, and the other one, they had like fucking steak knives, serrated shit. I'm like, oh, fuck. We're about to get in trouble here. And that fucking was a horrible experience. Mike ended up going up, fucking her for like 5 minutes, maybe 5 minutes.
Hey man, it's after AIT. It's after AIT. So I mean, that first time you let her go, it's like brown.
The chick that he was with, though, she was
Because all those drugs that they give you, they even tell you, hey man,
There's gonna be some seepage.
they go, hey man, do not bang your old lady without a condom on. Because if she has a kid, it will be a fucking monster.
It'll be a sea monster.
Like they even tell you, like, dude, it will have fucking problems because of all the shit we gave you.
Fuck.
But I do have one little Tinder story.
No.
Now, it's been about like the first time in like 3-4 months that I've been on Tinder.
Let's get real. 3 years.
No, it's been about 3 months.
You have a Tinder?
Yeah, I do. I just don't use it because it's all like six. It's all like.
Why would I go on Tinder and try to do that when I got my
go
hands?
there when I go to fucking.
I can go to Pornhub and get the same thing.
Damn.
Ouch.
Get them.
Ouch.
And it's free.
That's $3.93 free.
I even gotta take her out to dinner.
No, she gives me food.
That's fair.
But fucking, no, the main reason is like they're all like 19 and 18. It's like, you know what, man? Like let's just assume that we're not gonna have anything in common because I already know we're not. Because I'm not an old man, but I'm getting there.
They like to work out. You like to work out your fingers in the potato chips.
They want to stay out till 3 in the morning. I just want to be in bed by 10.
No, because I work nights, so it's like I was off yesterday because of the bad weather. Yeah, I still don't understand it.
Yeah, that still blows my fucking mind. So you guys got off on that.
By the way,
for the job that you have,
Jacksonville, Florida actually had sleet and rain last night.
Fuck you guys. How you like it? But so like, when did I do? I stayed up till 3 because that's close to my bedtime. It's really usually around 4:30 because I work till 2:30 in the morning.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh yeah, that's cute. That's cute.
Oh,
but
is that work that you're talking about? I don't know what that is.
Oh, I thought you were just talking about breaking into people's cars.
Oh.
No, that's the next one. I was gonna do my little Tinder story before we got into that.
That's fine.
But, so that's the first time and I get a match. I was like, I'll fuck, I'll figure out who it is. And my God, this beautiful, majestic animal, my God, the queen of all Wally World walruses is on my screen. You see how big my phone is? It was about a half-inch smaller, but so my phone could get her on the full screen, it grew. Wrap it up, bud.
I'm so glad we did that.
I've been wanting to do it for a while. But so I'm like, hey, baby girl, what's that Mountain Dew? I'm not going over to her. She lives over an hour away. Nah, you're not worth my time. I might get drunk and drive over there. I don't know yet. She's like, it eats food, it talks. You're kind of rude. I'm like, hey, well, that's fine, but you like sucking dick? I got 5 inches of pain here that you can suck. And she's like,
realistically 2.5.
Well, I mean, that's Jesus no.
Oh no! It's the fucking bus all over again, or the van all over again. Oh,
Just shitting himself.
Oh, fuck. Here you go. Here you go.
But
before we get,
I hope I have underwear on to catch on.
This is yours. You keep that. Oh. You keep that. That is yours.
What is it?
Free poop toilet spray.
The VI poo. That's yours. You take that home and you use that.
Alright, we really need to do like a camera shit so they can actually see us do this.
Oh my God. That's strong.
That's what you need.
Alright, anyway.
You need that near
So
you.
she's like, well, I don't think Jesus would like that. Well, I just got off the phone with Jesus, and he says
you can do anal.
I don't think my 5 inches of pain will get through all that blubber.
Oh.
So I was like, I just got off the phone with Jesus. Oh, Jeebus said that it's cool. You can deep throat me. She goes, well, I just got off the phone with Jesus, and he said you're going to hell. I said, well, I just got off the phone with Jesus, and he said you should already known that. She goes, well, you're about to get blocked. I was like, all right, so what's your number and your address? Because I'm coming over to get my dick sucked.
Oh,
fucking savage.
Dude, that's not rapey vibes.
Weirdly enough, I got blocked.
Yeah,
no, that's ironic. It's ironic.
That's rapey vibes there.
Not rapey. I wasn't gonna knock her down and then fucking stick my dick in her throat.
I'm gonna be outside your window, jerk.
That'd be rape. He did say that he was politely gonna deep throat.
He's like, I said, Jeebus said it was cool, and if Jeebus says it, it must be true.
And hell, if Lucifer did it, it'd be just a regular Tuesday.
Oh, you gotta remember, Lucifer was God's favorite son. There for a minute.
No. That wasn't really simple.
Until some daddy issues happen, and then
It's fucking daddy issues. Everybody's got daddy issues.
Fuck my dad. My dad never loved me. Now I'm a stripper.
I'm an entertainer.
That's on Tuesdays. I'm a hooker the rest of the time.
Fucking, what was that one chick that fucking left Disney to go be a porn star? Did you see that shit?
Oh, no.
Fucking,
it's not Selena Gomez. I don't care.
I don't know, yeah.
You can have all that you want.
Fucking, it was on World Star that they were talking about it.
I don't have
I can't remember her fucking name. But she was a fucking 32-year-old.
Did you guys hear about Gwyneth Paltrow having that candle?
I don't know who that is.
Candle?
Yeah, so they did something with a candle and...
Did they light it?
No. Well, I don't know. She has a new product out there. I got told by her favorite bartender.
Oh. Hi, Lindsay!
Yeah. And Gwyneth Paltrow now has a candle that it says, it smells like my vagina. It's a vagina-scented candle. That is already sold out at $75 a candle.
Holy shit.
I wonder if it smells like roses or if it smells like fish market.
And you know it's not the good one either. It's the fucking third world.
No,
one.
it's Arabian Nights.
It's the third world.
It's like you went to Red Lobster and it just...
It's one of those trick candles, too, so every time you try to get that fishy smell out of your house, every time you blow, it just goes, oh, I'm back on. Damn it. What
I wish it stopped smelling like this.
Who the fuck gets a candle, though, like that? That's fucked up.
I mean, it's spent $75 on a candle. You can go to Wally World for a $3
Oh my
one.
god! This smells like my vagina. $360. Fuck.
And people are paying for that.
Yeah.
Oh, I bet absolutely. There's some people like,
There's people.
Gwyneth Paltrow. Oh god.
There's people that go out and spend money on fucking fidget spinners.
I forgot all about those damn things.
You know the original fidget spinner? You just had the little like. My grandma had one for us kids. It was like a little hawk.
You
just spun it on your finger. Yeah.
Yeah, you needed one of those, didn't you?
Yeah, but that was a toy, and then they made it gay.
Yeah.
Goddamn millennials. Dad, my name's Daryl, and I'm not a millennial.
That's fair.
Just bomb.
Oh, actually, we do need to ask you a question, old Pecker Rental Beads. When we doing this porno?
Oh,
Dude.
hey, where's that remote? Parker, you probably got a condom that you didn't lose last night.
Oh.
Dude, she's a real girl. You just can't see her because she's in my imagination.
I named her Carol. Line. Sorry, I thought I had something. That was fucking terrible.
I had a joke and then I lost it and then I kept fucking talking because that's what I do.
No, the remote thing, though, I doubt it's gonna fucking happen.
See,
well,
you gotta like this one again.
I so want our Facebook to happen because that's gonna be our first video.
The Facebook's happening. We're waiting on.
By the way, you can follow us on Facebook. Yeah.
We're
just not today because it's not.
Yeah, we're
because Mark Zuckerberg's trying to look us over and make sure we're not.
He's trying to look us at our peepees.
I showed him my pee twice,
and he liked it.
Yeah, he sucked
like
on mine.
Crazy Uncle Joe.
He sucked on mine. He said it was like sassafras. Real nice and sweet. Got that good root. That's what I got. Good root.
Did he say it smelled like Gwyneth Paltrow?
Did you buy that $300 candle?
You did. You probably bought the very last one.
No. He doesn't have a job.
You bring chicks home. You're like, look, sniff this and then sniff that candle. It's the same thing.
Let me tell you, I ate box. I love eating box.
You don't eat box.
I eat box.
You suck dick. Don't lie.
Have you ever done this, son?
Parker, you ever got your Red Wings?
No, dude, that's gross. No, dude, I don't pay all that money for Red Wings. Jeez, those boots are expensive. You remember that argument?
Yeah, oh my god.
Parker, you don't know what Red Wings are? Dude, they're boots. I know what they are. No, Parker, that's not the Red Wings we're talking about.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Do they make shoes, too?
Yeah, the Red Wing boots. They're like not Arion. They're another brand. That was the funniest shit for like a whole 2 months.
Oh shit, that was.
I'm not gonna lie.
That was good.
I think that might be part of the reason why I'm so fucking retarded. I'm just hanging out with this retard. I lost quite a few brain cells in that conversation.
No,
I don't know. I think you lost all those in the fucking van that night.
You know what? That's just heavy. That was Daryl. Nothing compared to the gas chamber, though.
Nah.
No, nothing.
Snot rockets and all that good stuff.
That was a fucking stink bomb if I ever fucking heard it.
Nope.
No.
That was a fucking stink bomb.
How much? Hey, fucking off the air now.
No, we're not. We're good. See, but I don't even think Iran's bombs could touch what you dropped. That shit.
Well, that's good because we don't drop bombs, we drop rockets.
Oh,
suck a dick, nerd!
And they're missiles. Here's my biggest problem with America dropping bombs on the Middle East.
The taxpayers are paying for it.
No, well, that is true. Alright, so there's a cheaper way to bomb the Middle East countries. specifically the Middle East countries. Because though I had done zero research on this, and I'm talking about the Muslims and their culture.
The ones that wear diapers on their head. Okay.
You know, the ones that like to wear their laundry
It's
outside.
on the burqa.
God damn it. Go ahead.
Parker had a joke, but he had to stop himself.
I thought I had something, and then I'm like,
it just wasn't funny.
No.
The people that like to
Tell
wear...
the people that wear dirty clothes on their heads, it's laundry day, motherfucker, and we're bringing the mate back.
I'm so glad you also are on Facebook.
My God, you butchered the shit out of that one.
I'm so glad you're also on Facebook.
Go ahead.
So, I have done zero research on this, but I'm pretty sure it'll work. Apparently, if the males of the Islamic countries see another woman naked that's not their wife, one of the 72 that they have, or is that the virgins? I can't ever keep up with these people.
Yeah, it's like virgins.
Whatever, but they still have a shit ton of wives.
No, it's their goats.
But if they... Or goats, but they're already naked. They're already naked. They're Navy. Because it's Florida seat.
Ahmed, you're bad today.
That was a fail.
But I suck as a human.
But it's not funny, but it's so true. But apparently, if they see another woman that's not one of their 36 wives naked, they have to kill themselves.
What are they, Mormon?
No, they're Islamic.
Because they get multiple wives.
Yes, I got the
Shit.
joke, but
All
we
right.
already established what they were, and they have the same type of theories on the if you get tired of this woman, you go over to this woman and you fuck the shit out of her. But whenever they're all crazy, I'm not wrapping shit up. Fuck you. I got a story to tell.
Yeah, I got a story. Suck a dick.
Anyways, you already said this is the last part, so fuck you. I'm gonna take this whole hour just to talk. I'm just gonna listen to my own voice because it's the sexiest voice we got.
I don't know.
I don't know, baby girls.
Hey.
Hey,
What's up?
I can do that too.
Oh.
But mine has a little southern accent to it. It's so sexy.
I got a little twang.
I don't know.
Mm. I don't know, but my giner's wet just from listening to me.
No.
No, but it is.
You're giant.
But also, instead of bombing them with missiles and rockets and all this good shit that cost a fuck ton of money, they also, if they get touched by pork, they also have to kill themselves. So we could literally just do a whole total Hillary Clinton type war campaign where all they do is suicide themselves because all they're doing is getting bombed by pork and seeing naked women that's not their wives.
You're talking about my hill dog in a really demeaning way, and I don't like it.
Well, maybe you should talk to Jeffrey Epstein.
Epstein?
Yeah, whatever.
Epstein.
Eckstein, whatever. I don't care. Mr. Big Pedophile Band.
They got paid a lot of money.
To be a pedophile.
Yeah. Like big time. Like FUBAR. Big time.
Our moms all told us to do something that we're good at to make money. His mom told him the same thing, and his was fucking little kids.
Yeah.
That's a hell of a life decision. Career move. That's a big move.
Weirdly enough, he lived a lot better life than we did.
Well, besides the last when he got strangled.
Oh. Yeah, but how old was he? So, he
Well, he's probably 60.
Hillary's hands can't be that damn good.
Oh, let me tell you something about Hill Dog. Oh yeah, she's got some nice hands.
Okay, continue your joke.
Awkward fucking silence.
Yeah.
No, that was good. She just has nice hands. She just has nice hands, especially when she's got like both of them on your dick, and she's
two-stroke.
She's like the Indian burns. Just no lube.
So that's why Bill cheated on her, because see, she's just the hand job girl. He wanted a dick sucking girl.
He wanted the
cigar.
Waffle and a pancake, or cigar and a pancake.
So has anybody else heard anything about Iran? I know we're on a standstill
No, I do know stuff about China.
I heard we were pulling up. We were all getting pulled up.
Well, they've been saying that since 08.
Yeah. No, I heard the countries were trying to kick us out.
Good luck, Buttercup.
If they want us to leave,
Like
since we invested so much money there,
They
will have to pay us back for the actual facility,
Yeah.
and then we can move out.
Yeah.
But since there's so much resources that we can use there, the oil fields, more or less, we're gonna stay there until we collect.
Well, the CIA needs to make money too.
Yeah, we gotta have opium.
You gotta put ink in the printers and stuff.
Yeah.
Got a lot of paperwork and shit.
Yeah.
So what about China? What do you have about China?
You hear that big deal that Trump made? $220 billion for a trade.
Was that the rice trade?
No, that was. There's like 20 billion of it's going to be for manufacturing, and then I don't know the details, but they made a big deal. The first step of the trade deal was like up to $220 billion for us, and a lot of it's going to go to agriculture, manufacturing, infrastructure. Yeah.
You hear that, Green County? We're about to get some money.
I doubt it.
I mean, it'll probably
Green County, Maine.
Green County, Texas.
Virginia.
California.
Pittsburgh.
Alright.
Alaska.
So you were
Canada.
saying something about this week. About your truck getting hit or some shit?
Alright, so on Wednesday, we're sitting there at work in Ferguson. And it's about halfway through the day. No, it's about like 6:30. So I've been working for about 3 hours. And one of the guys that I work with, he's pretty cool. He comes flying up and just hits my fucking vacuum cleaner. Because it's supposed to clean up all the flux, all the sand and everything. And this, I only notice it because like this motherfucker is loud as shit. He comes flying over and hits that, and I was like, "What the fuck you doing?" He's like, "Blah, blah, blah, break in, blah." I was like, "Break in my pipe? Where's the break in my pipe? Where the fuck how the fuck did I break the pipe? These things this is an 82-inch pipe, that big fucking around. These things are massive."
Ooh, 82-inch.
Yeah, pipe. Laying big pipes, boys. That's what I'm doing.
Call me a plumber. I'll be laying a pipe.
And he starts running away, and I was like, "Kobe, break in the pipe where?" He goes, "I'm not fucking kidding. Blah, 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 truck." I'm sitting here going, "The fuck is this motherfucker talking? Break in truck." Oh, these motherfuckers. Because, I'm in the good old spot of Ferguson, real classy people. And I start running my little fat ass off. I'm sprinting.
I wish there was a video of that.
I know, my big old titties are flopping in the air.
Hitting you in the face.
I'm wearing makeup, so you guys can't tell the black eyes that I got from my big old tits.
Big old floppies.
Big old
doggy doors.
So you're running out the door.
I get halfway there and I'm like, and then I'm like, I start slowing down. I was like, "Fuck, man, I hope these motherfuckers ain't got guns." Shit. No, well, I'm gonna go down fighting anyway. Fuck them. I go running out the door. And open up the door, and there's Leonard on the phone already. I'm like, "Fuck, the little bastards got away." Shit, they did hit my truck. Because I see my seat pulled all the way up. Like, I don't sit like that. Because that'd be like, your face is right on the wheel. I go over, and my passenger side window is shattered. And I have a tomahawk in my truck. That's the only thing I'm looking for. I'm like, shit, okay, I know my shit's here. Because that's the most expensive thing I have in my truck. My phone charger's there, my radio transmitter's there. All right.
Did they take your back tailgate? Or is that already missing?
No, that's in the back of the barn.
Oh. Get it? Because he hasn't had one for like 3 years, Parker. Got the phone.
Yeah, we're doing work. Dude, I'm texting my imaginary boyfriend.
It's a girl. Leave me alone.
It's a girl. She just has a dick.
She's one of them trannies.
But we have 6 people that were working that night, and we had 7, but one of them doesn't have a vehicle. And he's sitting there bragging. He's like, "Man, I'm glad I don't have a vehicle." I was like, "Well, that's just because you got a DUI, bud. So I'd rather have a vehicle."
They can't steal from someone that's already poor.
He's not poor. His old lady brings him up and everything. Oh. And all 6 of us got hit. And one guy lost a gun. Oh man, he was pissed. I don't know how he wasn't throwing up because I've been throwing the fuck up. I've been mad. I've been sniffing the ground for the tire track.
Yep.
That one smells different. I'm gonna go find this motherfucker.
Yep.
And another guy lost some power tools and a debit card.
Oh.
And some other people lost. This one chick, dude, she lost like $800 to $1,000 because of clothes and shoes. Because she ain't got my $20 Nikes. She's got those $200, $300 Jordans and what other fancy smancy.
Got them Air Force One.
Yeah, that's the other ones, and the LeBrons or whatever the fuck.
Whatever. Okay.
And she's got fancy clothes for the clubs and all that shit. And she's pissed as a motherfucker. It takes the cops about 40 minutes to get there.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
40 minutes.
You gotta drive through Ferguson.
Yeah, but still,
the cop shop. The cop shop.
It's like down the road.
2 blocks away.
It was like 10 minutes from us.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What the fuck?
They're like, yeah, but we're on our coffee and donut break.
Yeah.
7th one of the night.
I only started my shit 2 hours ago.
Gotta get that Krispy Kreme.
They show up and they do the whole report and everything, and I have absolutely zero confidence in the first cop that shows up. He just shows up and he's got a big old smile on his face and he's all giddy and everything. I'm like, you fucking Manook. You douche. And then, so we go home immediately after. It's 7:30 when we left. And we go back in the next day and I'm sitting here going, fuck. Did everybody on night shift go home? They didn't call me. Nobody called me. Nobody showed up today. Fuck, and there's like nobody here. Did they start early at like 2? Fuck, nobody called me for shit. I'll walk in there and there's 3 people in the 3 other people that I don't really know that's in the break room. I'm sitting here going, did nobody else show up? I'm like, no, man. I was like, what the fuck's going on? He's like, they hit him again this morning. They hit 3 more cars, got 1 more gun.
Dang.
And the place is only replacing your windows, which is cool with me because like the first thing I did whenever I noticed, I called Benny up. I was like, "Hey man, did I give you everything back that I borrowed from Texas?"
God damn it! Use that spray. Use that.
That's all good. I'm sorry. Continue.
Fucking stank ass.
I called Benny and T-Bone first. I was like,
Okay,
oh my god!
Did you hear that one on the? Did you hear that part? That's good. That's good. He's been doing that all day.
That's the funniest thing he has said or done through this whole little segment.
Yeah, you're right.
It's been the funniest.
By the way, I'm not gay, but my butt sure does hurt right now. Don't poop blood. That's bad. Go to a doctor.
Could be spaghetti.
I did have spaghetti. That's ironic. Anyway.
But no.
You called Benny.
No, they're talking about the next day. They're talking about, oh well, you bring us the receipt and we'll take care of the money for the windshields. Oh, that's cool. Whatever. I don't mind. But I didn't find out that, and they were like, no, we're not paying for anything else. So we have 4 people on night shift now. One of them, she walks in, Denisha, and she's screaming and yelling at Bill. Because I guess she like house hops or does something, so she had like all her shit in her car. And so it's all gone. All of it. And she walks up to her machine, I guess it was broke, and she just goes, yeah, fuck you guys, and goes home.
That poor lady.
You said you had other Tinder stories there, bud?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I have to research it, but yeah, I got a couple, but I just basically just been talking, a couple of chicks. One girl's wanting me to do anal, and I said I don't like it, take it. She's like, well, I'm put it in real nice and smooth, and I'll be like, no, that's only a one-way street. I'm sorry. She's like, oh well, that's fine. I got Gary down the road. He'll do it.
Oh, Gary.
Right.
Gary's into everything, man.
Gary might have Hep C, but my God, he's getting her done.
You're getting buzzy.
Parker, you're a little silent over there.
As usual.
What's baby girl doing?
Not shit. We'll wrap it
So what'd you do last night?
Wrap it up.
What'd you do last night?
We're wrapping it up.
You're wrapping it up. You didn't wrap your willy last night, I heard.
Damn right I didn't.
You didn't need to. She's not real.
She's on the pill.